there is sea, especially upper east, because a whole northeast, no, a whole so na baumia a free into on that score there, many yard because say ya bo be assume. Nas police for
Akoma FM 87.9
criminal law more and yet the overtarton and yes all tones are now say aggressively who push you be attempt to say ubebobi but omission na the newman so we 1 year is also make it criminal. It's we are yet to hear any reports coming from the police and as well as for a treasure because yeah. Na bibia ye clean. We are very, very democratic party. I'm say Obi anim say Ghana hano. Ye tu ya ba fine. The okay. Ne refi de see nana kwasini yami. Waha. Nipa kumi na ba.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Nana kwasini yami ye kumubi.
Omo tu aba wo time obepe regional chairman yami ene nana kwasi. Wanti de see.
Ewa hen.
Debi ya ayo ketia echo. Wanti de see. Very, very dangerous. It's I there.
But that was not in relation to Nana Kwesi and Yamin. I doubt.
Oh yeah, Debbie. Omo contested for regional. Or call regional na. When no call organizer for national. And Kofi Mestre, I'm challenging you. You go and find out what really happened. Very, very dangerous. Again. Time I'm proud to Mahama and Dufo Ebabeshe and you my course. Just say politics need the unyano fine sir, but they be kase yes so dia NDC for besuaye apart from the AC and then also they may for so say and twaye I will still say that and but that notwithstanding and your my idea go akwem no kire say you credible mpemfo mbehwe say elections na ye koso no nyina no e beda fine e ma obia akwakoto aba na de see no so meka say ye because eno betimi amia hu aye homework here because say 960 plus etimi akoto na sabi of eastern kwanti obi eni what say o kan obi eni wa sabi odo alan and na Kennedy na ho zero even see that so it's a cause of worry. I've said to me investigate it further and going forward. No, I believe say I'm paying for umunim day omo de nyoma beto to akwan mu say de be ya ba beto 208,000 in fact yanti bibia incident be a bc na yetimi ade demonstrate ya your opponent and say indeed MPP party a party in fact our Brazil party you focus and everything every so on my Ghana no betimi e the year so that is a bit of that year mekano no
Mamen Koson Kaiti for say unyanto you want to get a cash from listening to Kofi Asante Nano Pay we Otoyana scanner about phone so straight *439# no select option 6 may you draw in the next few minutes you can stand a chance of still winning National Lottery Authority and a control side until you can have any kululu kanala with me at about 3 times at a go this and pay on your MTN *439# no select option 6 you can stand a chance win where we need with sika pay but na to na mema uska sisia na menya draw no now what in share I don't know, sir. One monitor this police IGP supposedly tape kakra.
Yeah.
Mami nyau take over there.
Kofi me that's pa.
And you can add a bit of Mahama's judicial comment.
It's unfortunate. The Air Kosovo police and Ramsey now who interview other panel no. You say Dampare was centralizing issues nina and me were a serious statement on that centralization no in fact go for sure say decentralization now boy said the beya bibia say come mantem because I make kind beje ya daji until the member on that I'm say we put to certain things be in place ama other police personnel no paying for no in fact o my peeved kakra nuntina sa enyoma we na ekoso no it's going forward no I pray say ne nneɛma bi no obe decentralize at least obe release the certain powers ne kakra the ama regional bosses no na omo so etimi aye me bit again on that and say in fact said the revelations ni see banners say yes anya another new tape in fact the diagram and sure the tapes be bring never into omunya very careful about
as we speak there's even a video.
Look at this. Yeah, and see, it will be better to pick another tape because first tape, they acknowledge some of the things are Alex ne can COP Alex ne can or admitibi. It's another tape about just purportedly or free say no original, but enyami say another tape be so be unity. Inti omudiagra at the end of the day, the stake security is a bit at stake and mesre. Say enye nneoma nyina na say pie Bible say wade o nyina kwan enye ni nyina na fata ye certain things be I think say omunim de ye o gide o momo parliament ye independent body o ma set ye ya o mototo o mama no ti nneoma bi o ho a ye nkata so kakra in camera na o mo wi a o mo nhwe hawa enye saa ye tititi we nyina no atimamufo beka say oh and the country ni kra nye save wan hwa na obi Aboyurim to say the cost within less than 4 years or 3 years, African countries almost 7 are you cool and a very dangerous. In the interest, Mano said the Bayer. Me bit on the Mahama so is unfortunate, sir. Or make it our comment, but Obedi I make it personally. Me were issues with the not constitutional and ceiling of the Superior Court of Judicature. A Superior Court of Judicature now it starts from the High Court, the Court of Appeal, and then the Supreme Court. A very worrying. Say it's about time. Say on my morning no. Say entrenched clause. Yenshe hawa. Yebisi akọ referendum na nipa 40% population na. No more to abana 75. Etimi to I say etimi sisan yomum kakra. Oh, those entrenched clauses no. Now face we about the normal the entrenched clauses in so the parliament should take it up. Now among says certain that be constitutional. If I dey be ameka say yema Jerry. Now unfortunately ono so are passing on and to be taking advantage of the constitution more than 30 years we need to see a shemukina bebre na nneoma bi o ho a yetimi sisa because o catch mo say at the end of the day no free say perceively judges na was our superior courts it's been packed by MPP for of which I beg to differ. Interview your Rabina Sisia. Even NDC, yes. Obobo nipa betre no mu ina NDC for omu ina no yamoma elevation.
No, he was making a scenario.
Oh well. And OSHA qualification now in the constitution I say obia or proven integrity. It is a way a lawyer and say what's every 10 years you qualified to be appointed as a high court judge. What's about 12 years you qualified to be a court of appeal judge. 15 and above Supreme Court judge. Inti me bit on the IPA the Supreme Court. Say omemuni na yentana say ni set a ceiling for that because US there's a ceiling. There's a ceiling.
Supreme Court has a ceiling.
No, it doesn't have. It doesn't have. Okay. Yeah, I know the mashaja yes our research and there. You're very dangerous. Say or see making sure say should be a ceiling for Supreme Court judges. And they all retire on their salary. So at the end of the day consolidated you fund so and I say so a balloon because say
which of the chapter is it chapter 50 the judiciary is it chapter 9 of the constitution? Chapter 11 of the Constitution deals with our judiciary.
Yeah, inti I know the mashada search inti I'm say come Japan cross so can make his presentation I'm so kama dwene power very worrying because say perceived say Supreme Court judges wo ba ko afa president bi aba and I'm so on appointing ti ono so supposedly as also pe ne nkrofo na odi omakwa kugum because bibia ba elections results na sefo ina aba na if there's a dispute monko an etimi adjudicate on that matters until free say you to about the end of the day and I'm so what packing and microphone bibi sabit me see into the president Mahama ex-president Mahama Kanyano on also or perceive agenda be our day kasa so mesre say the lawyers lazy or mubut and just say betimi afa the bench kakra said the bear which means lazy or mubut no for the bench there so there's a hidden agenda say indeed he's also going to flood them with the superior courts of which MWA you see on my Ghana near Chichiri yen say NPP NDC they be am say Ghana first and no na Yera Kennedy say mrebema and some bibria waka about Ghana first no you betim there na etimi aboy
right 37 minutes past 9 at for you have the next 5 minutes I also with me I lucky winner I will draw another pay me baba you